Hello guys, welcome back with the last Sudoku. A Sudoku with 4 stars, Tectonic a.k.a. Suguru. And this Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, November the 27th. Yes, Black Friday. And this Sudoku. Let me position the camera. I've bought a new camera. Yeah, today on Black Friday, a new camera. I hope this will do better than the previous one. This will be a number camera, or not exactly. It's a phone with camera function. Yes, 1944. All right, so let's get started. Single box. Do we see here single box? I see here single box. Single box is always a 1. 2 numbers left. In this area, the 1 and the 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Quadra box. So the numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4 are available. We see here 1, we see here 3, we see here 4. So this box should be a 2. Yes. The second single box. That's rare. Yeah, not so much with Tectonics that we have a double single boxes. I believe a few days ago I has also a double single box. All right. So we have a 1 here. Those 4 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here or there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. Those 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 4. The other pair should be 1 and a 5. Alright. 2 and a 4. Alright. Dual box, 1 and a 2. Let me mark those. 1 and a 2. Triple box, 1, 2, or 3. And 3. The 2 are already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. This box cannot be a 1 or 3. Otherwise I cannot fill here the 1 and the 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it cannot be 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 4. So this must be a 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Hey, again I do a box. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. That means that those 2 boxes can be a 1 and a 2 here. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 and a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 3. That means that those 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 3 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 3 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 4 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1. And this should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 5. This box cannot be a 5, so the 5 and that box cannot be a 5 because I need a 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 goes in one of those two boxes, in this quarter box. That means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Yeah. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 2 because I need a 2 in one of those two boxes. That box can also not be a 2. We have a 2 there. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. So 4, 5, 1. So this box cannot be 4, 5, cannot be a 1, so it must be a 2 or 3. This box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, so it must be 4 or 5. Alright. Yeah. We have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore in this dual box, so this should be the 2 and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left, the 5 and the 3. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then yeah. Let me see. Definitely a 4 stars here. Yeah. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So 2, 3, 5. Yes, 2, 3, 5. We have a 4 here, so those two boxes cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 1 box left in this quarter box for the number 3. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for the number 2. These two boxes cannot be a 3, so the only box left for the 3 should be there. 2, 4, 5. I think this box. No. Yeah, it could be a 5. Alright. So we have a 3 here. This box should be 4 or 5. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Yes, 4 or 5. And this box should be a 2 or 5. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yeah, 2 or 5. Now we have a 4 here. So this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be a 4. And this should be a 2. Those two boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. We have a 2 here in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. And the 5 is missing here also. I think this box should be a 3 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, should be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3. These two boxes cannot be a 3, that box cannot be a 3. So the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. That means that in this area we need a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah, that means that this box cannot be a 1 and that box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be in one of those 3 boxes. That means that this box cannot be a 1, also this box cannot be a 1, so the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. If I place the 1 here, then I cannot place any 1 in one of those 3 boxes in this triple box. I need a 1 in this triple box, so this cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And that means that this box cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that these 2 boxes cannot be a 1, otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this one cannot be, so the 1 should be here. Alright, so we have a 1 here. We have a 2 and a 3. That means that this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here or there. And I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 3 boxes. So the 3 should be here. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 2 are left, 1 and the 2. That means that this box cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, so it's a 4 or 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. And I need a 2 also in this area, so I cannot place a 2 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this box cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 3. The 4 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those, 4 and the 5. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. This box should be 4 or 5. Because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, so 4 or 5. I cannot place a 4 here because I have 2 4s in one of those 2 boxes. So this cannot be a 4, so this is definitely a 5. That means those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. So the 1 and the 4 are left. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4 and this should be a 5. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. This box cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be the 3. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. That means that this box cannot be a 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 5 and this should be a 4. These two boxes can be a 2. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes here. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 4 goes there. These two numbers should be the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this can be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 2. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be 2 anymore. This should be the 2 and this should be a 4. We have a 2 here, so those two boxes cannot be a 2. So this box should be the 2. The 4 and the 5 are left. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. And now these 4 boxes. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. This box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Definitely a 5. The 1 and the 2 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and have a great Black Friday. Yes. Take care, people. Black Friday. Don't go too many people today. All right. Have a great weekend. See you on Saturday. Tomorrow. Bye-bye for now.